हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे आप लोग। बहुत दिनों बाद हम वीडियो बना रहे हैं, 2 दिन बाद शायद। गाइस, this is not an informative video. I need information from you guys. Yes, this is the motto to making this video today. Main thing is like I was using this Sjcam Legend, which I bought online around 11,000 rupees, and his mic around 1400 rupees. Yes, it has this V-type adapter socket, you can say. So it cannot be like fit a normal 3.5 mm mic, any other mic. So I have to use the his original mic only. But the major problem is if you're using or recording audio with this cam and with the help of mic and in the atmosphere of like at a room or home, so it gives a crystal clear quality. But I was using this camera and the mic while doing motor vlogging, and I was facing terrible issue of the wind noise, and I'm not getting a quality audio from my motor vlogging when I was using that mic in my helmet. So I did my best. I searched so many videos and tried my best to put a tape on my mic, put a cotton, and then a fabric cap. Literally, I've put that on the mic. Again, I tried almost like 10-15 takes I have taken, but I really failed. I didn't get a crystal quality of the mic. So I was thinking, first of all, the quality of the Sjcam of video is really good. It gives a wide angle, 4K support, it has Wi-Fi. So this is brilliant for the video, but for the audio, outdoor for motor vlogging, it's worst. So you tell me guys, which one should I go? Like should I go for Osmo, which cost me around 22k for with the mic setup and all with the adapter, or should I directly go for Hero 8? Yes, GoPro Hero 8. It will cost me around 30,000 with the mic adapter and all the multimedia vlog. Might will go around 38 something. So should I invest that much of money for my motor vlogging? Again, you can say like that money will be the investment for me for my future motor vlogging. Of course, my new bike is coming soon. So in that frame of time for 2 to 3 months, I have to resolve the issue of my mic. So guys, please do comment in this inbox or do connect me on Instagram and comment me. Please help me with that what is the better solution, or should I resolve, or do you have any idea to resolve the audio quality of the Sjcam without investing extra money that I have already invested 11 to 12k in this? Or should I invest 22k for the Osmo, or should I invest GoPro around 38k? Seriously, means I'm buying a new bike, a lot of investment is going on. So it's a hard work guys, lots of investment, lots of time it's taking, but I just want to give you a best content with the crystal clear video and the audio quality. So do support me guys, help me, comment me, and help me with the audio quality issue as soon as possible. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for my next vlog. Bye.